Do you want to make a small machine that can make, wash, and carve for less than 100 Win? Today I will share with you how to make a small, handheld carving machine with a 775 electric motor. First, remove the slide in your bad trunks. It only needs a very short 2-stage. The slide that just came down needs to be fixed on the wooden board first, or you can use other boards to fix it. And this small carving machine is very small. It's almost a second of a hand-turning machine, and its appearance is also very delicate. It's really convenient to use it to make some small things, although it is a small tool made by hand, but you don't have to worry about its accuracy. As long as the main axis of the electric motor is not crooked and the drill head is not biased, using it to make some things, accuracy is absolutely enough. This is to fix the 2 slides on 2 wooden boards first. When the slide is fixed, you can stick double-sided glue like this first. After confirming the position, then screw it on. This machine looks very small, but it feels very expensive to me. The main thing is that the extension rod of this flexible clip is more expensive. It costs more than 400 pesos for a 775 electric motor, and a motor plus a fixed seat is only more than 80 pesos. This 775 motor has 2 signals. One is 12 volts, one is 24 volts. 24 volts is higher than 12 volts. After installing this special soft head, you can see that the accuracy is very high. Next, you need to cut a piece of wood to make the base. All the electrical tools used in the video are made by the 775 motor. If you like it, you can click like to collect and pay attention. We are constantly updating. The small tools made by the 775 motor, whether it is a cutter, a sandblasting machine, or a hand drill, can be made very delicate and very small. The torque turned up is also enough to use. After the base is done, you need to cut another piece of wood. This piece of wood is used to fix the electric motor and slide vertically. You need to use such a small piece of wood to fix it. Make some holes on the base and measure the size. Then use a small piece of wood to fix it. In fact, it is better to brush some wood glue here so that the surface of the base will be larger and the fixed part will be more solid. The slide of the vertical slide also needs to be fixed with a small piece of wood. Is the accuracy high? This completely depends on whether you have a serious measurement when making it. The more accurate the measurement, the more accurate the tool will be. After the electric motor is installed, then install a hand-pulled screw. This screw is used to control the depth of the drill. Sit on the wooden board directly, and then install the slide. Now, if you take it off and then open this hole, you have to measure it again when you install it. When making anything, you have to draw the drawing paper first, or do 3D modeling first. After confirming the feasible plan, then start making. This will save time and the products will be easier to use. Just like the stick that is attached now, it is a little wider. If you draw the drawing paper before making it and then choose the wooden board according to the width of the stick, there will be no such mistake. Just like now, the bottom hole can be opened directly when making the board. Like this small tool, if you are making the second or third one, it must be more perfect and beautiful than this one. The small piece of iron made now is a needle. It can accurately point to the angle of the stick. After changing the new drill head, you can also adjust the height of the needle to the height of the stick. After setting it up, you can test the carving depth. The depth adjustment of this drill head is mainly to fix the screw on the back. If you want to make it more complicated, you can add a thread on the top and then add a rocker so that you can freely adjust the height. Finally, put a row of holes on the bottom seat so that you can carve round things. But the best way is to make a small auxiliary tool so that the carving round size can be adjusted at will. Although the tool is very small, but this small tool can be used as a repair machine. As long as you change it to a different head, Whether it is a slot or a repair, there is no problem. The last step is to install an aerial plug and then install a switch. Reconnect the two auxiliary lines. The production of this small tool is a great achievement. If you have any special productions you want to see or other processing productions you want to know, welcome to leave a comment. If you like DIY production, please remember to like and subscribe, comment, share.